close your eyes. Dear God, thank you for this beautiful world.
Thank you for this beautiful world
that you have brought me into.
Help
me to do my best.
Help me to do my best
to make it an even better place. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall be my parents.
राष्ट्र सैल्यूट करेगा। स्कूल सैल्यूट। स्कूल एक साथ।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Patriotism and gratitude for all our freedom fighters. On behalf of the management of Dosti Foundation School and our school director Dr. Ranjini Krishnaswamy, I welcome all the parents, students, teachers and our special guests for today for this flag hosting ceremony in Dosti Foundation School. We are honored that we have amongst us today our special guests, the higher police officials from Raigad police station. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us. We value their commitment, their unwavering dedication to keep us protected and safe. The entire community remains safe because of them. Thank you very much, sir. Today, we all have gathered here to remember the sacrifices that our freedom fighters made for us and also celebrate the spirit of our being an Indian. I request sir to please address us.
ड्रग्स अवेअरनेसच्या मोहिमेत आलो होतो. त्या अनुषंगाने मी या ठिकाणी हजर असलेले विद्यार्थ्यांचे पालक आणि या परिसरातील नागरिक यांना एक विनंती करतो, रिक्वेस्ट करतो, आवाहन करतो की आपल्या समाजामध्ये ड्रग्स म्हणजे जे आपल्या मनोव्यापार मराठीमध्ये आपल्या नार्कोटिक सबस्टन्सेस बोलतात, त्याचा आपल्या शरीरावर खूप वाईट परिणाम होतो. आपल्या देशाला याच्यापासून खूप मोठा टेरिस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन हा खूप मोठा विषय आहे. पण मी आज या ठिकाणी एवढं सांगतो की आपल्या परिसरामध्ये, आपल्या समाजामध्ये, घरामध्ये ड्रग्स एवढे असेल तर कुठले ड्रग असेल तर त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला सेफ करायचं आहे. आणि त्या दृष्टीनं जसं काय असेल तर तुम्ही तुमच्या इन्फॉर्म करू शकता. आम्ही त्याच्यावर कारवाई करू. तुमचं नाव कुठेही बाहेर डिक्लेअर होणार नाही किंवा त्या ठिकाणी पोहोचणार नाही, जबाबदारी आम्ही घेऊ. आज एवढंच आवाहन करतो की आपल्याला ड्रग्सपासून दूर राहायचं आहे आणि आपला एक निरोगी, सक्षम, सदृढ समाज म्हणून आपल्याला आपला एक चांगला देश जगामध्ये नाव रोशन यासाठी प्रयत्न करायचा. थँक्यू.
And I assure you on behalf of Gosri Foundation School that we will be a part of this movement. Thank you. Now I request Nan to please address us.
Good morning everyone. Wishing everyone a very, very happy Independence Day. There is nothing new that I am going to be able to say. So I am going to quote Rabindranath Tagore. He wrote this poem so many years ago. But it has elements today as it was then. And as young students, it is worth reflecting and thinking about it. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, but the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depths of reason. Where tireless striving stretches arms towards perfection. But the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the clearly desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my mind fill me. Let us always hope and aspire that these thoughts, which were spoken so many years ago, gets instilled in everyone. You are the future of the country. To the future of the world, children. And we as teachers feel so proud that we have a small role in building the nation. Thank you so much, parents, for allowing us to be a part of your parenting. God bless everyone. What a proud country we are. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
I think this was the most perfect day that God selected to say this poem to everyone. Thank you so much.
Ready. Attention. School dispersed. Bouncer and move.
Good morning, respected principal, director, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, we gather here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, India. On this day, in 1947, our country broke the chains of colonial rule and stepped into a new era of freedom. We remember and honor the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh, and many others who gave everything so that we could live in a free India. But today, in 2025, I ask you, what does independence mean to us now in this modern world? Is our freedom reflected in the lives of every citizen around us? Independence is no longer just about freedom from foreign rule. Independence is about having the freedom to think, to speak, and to live with dignity. Today, independence means having the right to education, employment, and equal opportunities for all, regardless of gender, religion or background. Modern independence also means having the courage to stand up against injustice, not only in society but also in our minds, freeing ourselves from hatred, discrimination and fear. In this digital age, independence is about responsibility, the ability to use our freedom wisely. Whether we are expressing our opinions online or offline, we must remember that our freedom ends when we trample someone else's. True independence requires rights to commitment to truth and integrity. Moreover, being independent means being self-reliant as a nation. As youth, it is our duty not only to enjoy the freedom gifted to us, but also to use it to build a better India. Let us be independent thinkers, compassionate citizens, and proud Indians. Let us never forget that independence is not a one-time gift. It is a lifetime responsibility that we carry every single day. Freedom is ours, but the journey is not done. Together we shine, together we are one. With hopes in our heart and dreams held high, we will lift our nations to touch the sky. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you and happy independence.
कदम पे धरती बदले शान हमारा गौरव है, भारत की आत्मा का सार है। जय हिंद।
ऐ मेरे हिंदुस्तान के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा। आज है शुभ दिन, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा। आदरणीय निर्देशिका मैडम, प्रधानाचार्य जी, अतिथिगण, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावक और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आप सभी को सुप्रभात। आज हम हमारी स्वतंत्रता की 79वीं वर्षगांठ मना रहे हैं। मैं आप सभी लोगों को दोस्ती फाउंडेशन स्कूल की तरफ से हार्दिक बधाइयां प्रेषित करती हूँ। मित्रों, हमें ये आज़ादी उपहार में नहीं मिली थी, बल्कि हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अनेक प्रयास किए थे, जिनके बाद हमें ये आज़ादी प्राप्त हो पाई थी। मित्रों, हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने कई प्रयास किए, कई यातनाएं सहन की, जिनके बाद हमें आज़ादी प्राप्त हुई थी। एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी कहते थे कि सपने वे नहीं होते जो हम सोते समय देखते हैं, पर सपने वे होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते। हाँ, अंग्रेजों ने हमारे वीरों को तो कैद कर लिया था, परंतु वे उनके सपनों को उड़ान करने से नहीं रोक पाए। और आज हम उन्हीं सपूतों के प्रति श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करने आए हैं, जिन्होंने जाति, धर्म, भाषा, संकुचित मानसिकता से लड़कर सपने सजाए और उन्हें साकार भी किया। आज हमारा देश विश्व की महाशक्तियों में से एक है। हमने हर क्षेत्र में अभूतपूर्व उपलब्धि हासिल की, परंतु हमें ये भी याद रखना होगा कि जब तक हम एक हैं, तब तक हम एक नेक हैं। और हमें ये भी याद रखना होगा कि यदि हम व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ के लिए सामाजिक सौहार्द और आपसी भाईचारे को ही नष्ट कर देंगे, तो हमारी इस आज़ादी का कोई औचित्य नहीं रह जाएगा। वो दौर और था जब हम यातायात के लिए बैलगाड़ियों का प्रयोग करते थे, और आज देखिए हम मंगलयान के सफल प्रक्षेपण से गौरवान्वित हो रहे हैं। मित्रों, मैं बस यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप याद रखिए कि जब तक हम एक हैं, तब तक हम नेक हैं, और तभी तो हम मौलाना अबुल कलाम, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, बाल गंगाधर तिलक जैसे सेनानियों के सपने को साकार करके भारत को गौरवशाली बना पाएंगे। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय महाराष्ट्र।
मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति व उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति व उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते मिसाल है मेरा धन, मेरा प्रगतीच्या, भारत भूत या पराक्रमाला माझ्या मानाचा मुजरा. आदरणीय संचालिका मॅडम, माननीय मुख्याध्यापिका मॅडम, वंदनीय गुरुजनवर सुप्रभात. प्रत्येक भारतीयासाठी एक अभिमानाचा दिवस म्हणजे स्वातंत्र्य दिवस. आज आपण सर्वजण आपल्या भारताच्या 79व्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनाचा सोहळा साजरा करण्यासाठी जमलो आहोत. सर्वप्रथम तुम्हा सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 या दिवसाचा महिमा आपल्या भारताच्या इतिहासात एक सुवर्णाक्षरांनी नोंदविला गेलेला आहे. याच दिवशी आपला भारत देश ब्रिटिशांच्या गुलामगिरीतून मुक्त झाला. भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी अनेक क्रांतिकारकांना व स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांना आपल्या प्राणांची आहुती दिली. त्या सर्व क्रांतिकारकांना व स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकांना नमन करण्याचा हा दिवस. हे स्वातंत्र्य आपल्याला सहजासहजी मिळाले नाही, तर ते अनेकांच्या रक्ताच्या थेंबांनी लिहिले गेलेले आहे आणि हे स्वातंत्र्य टिकवणे ही आपल्या सर्वांची जबाबदारी आहे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
The colors of our flag speak louder than the words. Saffron for bravery, white for peace, and green for prosperity. Together they echo the soul of our nation. As we sing today, let every note honor our Tiranga. Let music paint the spirit of India in every heart.
तेरी जमीन से हम सर उठा
celebrates the courage, unity and spirit that won our freedom.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Alam Sheikh and I am the narrator.
Good morning everyone. I am Ramdan Khan. I am representing Captain Vikram Batra.
Good morning everyone. I am Arham Faruqi and I am representing Major Rameshwami Parameshwaran.
Good morning everyone. I am Mariam Salguru and I am representing Subedar Yogendra Singh Yadav.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anika Sheikh and I am representing Brigadier Muhammad Islam.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aliza. I am representing Major Somnath Sharma.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. On this occasion, let us remember the brave soldiers who fight again for us, being far from home and loved ones, sometimes sacrificing their own lives just so that the entire nation can sleep in peace.
Captain Vikram Batra is known as the hero of the Kargil War, who led one of the toughest war operations in Kashmir. He died on a mission to capture a peak from the Chagrin, a famous Gurmat Batra. Either I will be back after hoisting the tricolored Indian flag or be wrapped in it, but I will be back for sure. He was honored with the Paramveer Chakra Award.
Major Rameshwami Parameshwaran, born in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Parameshwaran is yet another brave heart that at the age of 41 in 1987 in India-Sri Lanka operations, he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra. During the hand-to-hand combat, a militant shot him in the chest. Major Parameshwaran snatched the rifle from the militant and shot him dead. Barely able to stand now, he continued giving orders to his men and inspired them to fight till his last breath.
Subedar Yogendra Singh Yadav. He has the honor of being the youngest recipient of Paramveer Chakra at the age of 19. He volunteered for a task of capturing 3 strategic bunkers on Tiger Hill at 16,500 feet. His actions gave Indian soldiers the upper hand and they managed to accomplish one of the toughest missions of Kargil War, the capture of Tiger Hill.
During Indo-Pakistan War, 1947 to 1948, Brigadier Usmani was a field attack on Nowshera and Jammu, 2 heavy strategic locations in Jammu and Kashmir, and was named the Lion of Nowshera. This is inspiring and honoring the Indian soldier who died on 3rd July 1948 defending Jammu. His last words were, "I am dying, but let not the tragedy we are fighting for the enemy." He was awarded Mahavir Chakra for his great courage and leadership.
Major Somnath Sharma. This brave soldier sacrificed his life at the young age of 24 with his hand already in plaster from an injury. Sharma insists on being with his company while they were airlifted to Srinagar on October 30, 1947 to fight Pakistan invaders. This last message to brigade headquarters before he was killed was, "The enemy is only 50 yards away from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch bit. We will fight to our last man and our last round."
They are all heroes, each and every one of them. And like them, there are many such unsung heroes whose stories we should never know about. These brave soldiers are not always home for celebrating festivals and an event celebrate. Let us salute these.
Dance is freedom in motion, an expression of soul and joy. Let us now watch a dance performance by our talented students.
नारी है शक्ति, नारी है अभिमान, नारी से ही रोशन यह सारा जहां।
सरहद पे चले, सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है।
जय भारत माता।
माथे पे तिलक, जय हिंद लगा वो मेरी निशानी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है। शक्ति शक्ति शक्तियाँ शक्तियाँ शक्ति शक्ति शक्तियाँ शक्तियाँ। मुश्किल वक्त में भी हम न खोए हौसला, इनके साथ चलने का यूं कर ले फैसला। मिट्टी हम तो छूए तो मिलता जोश है, बस तेरी खातिर जानी सरफरोश है। जीत का जश्न हम मनाएंगे, आसमान तिरंगा सजाना है, शान से सभी को बताएंगे, जीत लेंगे सारा जहां। तू मेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर, सलाम इंडिया। तू मेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर, नसीब भारत। मेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर, सलाम भारत, सलाम इंडिया।
What an inspiring performance by Topaz House. Do you know the difference between freedom and independence, Farad?
Independence gives us the right to be free, but freedom is what we really choose to do with that right.
As we celebrate Independence Day, let's listen to a conversation between two friends that will make us think about what freedom truly means.
Hey, I heard you're preparing for a speech. What is it about? It's about freedom, a concept very close to my heart. Freedom is not just a word. It is a feeling, a state of mind, and the fundamental right every individual deserves. Interesting. But what does freedom mean personally to you? To me, it means the ability to make the choices without fear or restrictions. It's being able to express my thoughts, my beliefs, opinions without being judged or silenced. So, is it just about self-expression? Yes, and not alone. It's also about having the power to decide my own path, to pursue my passions, and to chase my dreams. That sounds wonderful. But isn't freedom personally linked to how we treat the others? Absolutely. Freedom means equality and justice. That every person, regardless of background, gender or status, should have equal rights and opportunities. So, isn't it about personal liberty? No, it's also about social responsibility and respecting the rights of others. And in our country, we have had this freedom for a while, right? Yes, but it's a hard-won right. Many individuals bravely fought for it, and we must cherish it and protect it for our future generations. That makes sense. But as young individuals, what can we actually do? We can use our freedom to make informed choices, to stand up for what's right, and to contribute positively to the society. So, in the end, what is your message for the others? That freedom is a precious gift. We must value it, protect it, and use it wisely, and create a society that is just, equitable, and free for all. And it's also about ensuring that our freedom does not encroach upon another person's freedom. Thank you.
program comes to a close, I would request the school discipline captain, Nada Solve, please felicitate our judges for the.
Say a few words to encourage our students for the upcoming years. Thank you so much.
नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई फेल्ट इज कोई प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छा था. वो नारी शक्ति दैट लास्ट वन आई रियली अप्रिशिएट कि मतलब इतना इनोवेटिव सोचना और वो बच्चों से करवा के लेना, इट्स नॉट एन इजी टास्क. सो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड सब बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा करने की कोशिश की है, तो ऐसे ही सब और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर आई होप. और ये सब इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए और हमें एक फिर से यहाँ पे बुलाने के लिए मेरा बहुत दिल से शुक्रिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
लगी बाकी इतने लोगों के सामने people are coming and singing that itself is very appreciable. So keep doing it and keep practicing it. See, if you are doing a music, it has to be in your routine.
As every great event must come to a close, remember, the future of India lies in your hands. Your focus and dedication shape tomorrow. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Today, as we come to a close of this beautiful Independence Day celebration, I stand here with deep gratitude in my heart. First, my sincere thanks to our special guests, the police officials, our dear Director Ma'am, Dr. Ranjani Krishnaswamy and our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Rajni Patil, for their constant guidance and inspiring leadership. Your vision is what truly makes events like these so special. Of course, to our brilliant teachers, they were so dedicated in training and preparing our students. To the happiness section teachers, the decor committee and the art and craft teachers, thank you so much for the wonderful decorations and your wonderful efforts overall. To the auxiliary staff and the admin team, your quite behind the scene efforts keep everything running smoothly, and we truly value your contribution. And of course, to our brilliant students, you performed with passion, confidence and pride, truly reflecting that unity and freedom are true. And finally, let us all bow our heads in respect to the courage and sacrifices of the freedom fighter. They gifted us something very priceless, freedom and independence, and now it is our duty to protect it, cherish it, and of course, pass it on. Let's hope that the spirit of independence lies in our hearts, not just today, but every day. Let us all look up to a future where the mind is without fear and the heads are held up high. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.
In a distance above